The Library District and Sunrise Hospital teaming up to help educate local children. You can start right from the moment that your child is born, too. The name of the program is My First Library, and we have a representative from the Library District with us to explain more after this break. And getting children interested in books early can help them throughout their lives and really help them establish a love for reading. So the Library District and Sunrise Children's Hospital, they've teamed up for a program that they're calling My First Library, hoping to give children a head start in learning. And we have Shanna Harrington, the Youth Services Manager for Las Vegas Clark County Library District, with us to tell us more about this program and how it works. So good afternoon.
Thank you so much for having us here. Yes, this is a really cool program, and it's really great for first-time parents and even second-time parents and beyond, because literacy is important at every stage in every child's life.
Yeah, it can really help them not only in their growth as a child, but even beyond, to increase that literacy and their love for reading. So let's talk about what they get in this book.
In this box. This is so cute. It's in this box is so much awesomeness. So it starts out with one of those touch and feel things. It's like a hide and seek, so it's got lots of textures. It's got something for the little ones to chew on. And then we've also got a onesie, like snug sack right here with a little Library District logo on it. And then we've also got more books, some of the perfect ones that we have here that we use in story time all the time. A Karen Katz book, That's Not My Elephant, Touch and Feel. You know you love those little, got to file those nails down right away. And then of course milestone moments and some vroom tips, which are brain building things for up to age 5, My First Library card, and just some resources that redirect them to our library website. So really cool stuff all in this box right here. You can honestly have this, and because you're exhausted after having a little one, and so this is really good to just take home with you right away and explore and really have everything you need at your fingertips.
Yeah, and reading is fundamental. It's not just a cliche. Tell us why this could ultimately benefit the child going forward.
Quite honestly, it's because parents honestly think that oh, why should I be reading to a little baby? Well, their brains are building neural pathways and synapses are firing at such rapid rates. Before the age of 5, they build so many pathways that it's so important that they get this literacy right away. That's why we do story times at the library. That's why you want to speak to your child even before they can speak back to you, because they're going to be learning. And I see this in my little nephew. He's only 2, but it's so amazing how much they absorb before they can even articulate.
Yeah, it helps with their language building, their vocabulary, also helps with just their creativity as well. And by the time they start school, if you've been reading to them over and over and over again, they can be a great reader by the time they go to school.
That's right, and it's it's foundational learning too, because that's how they build math skills, science, history, learning all the other things that they need to be successful in life.
Yeah, and it's cool to also have the habit of just having a library card, especially at a young age. I love your shirt. It says Get Carded.
That's right.
Yeah, and so that's a reminder for all of us. I know it's not a part of this program, for all of us to have our library card. And people will be surprised. You don't have to actually go to the library to get a book these days. You can just use the apps on your phone.
Yep. Put it on your Kindle, put it on your tablet, whatever you use. I love the Libby app. I'm a user of that because I want instant satisfaction.
Exactly. So. I go in just to get the card renewed. And then I'm like, okay, where's my app?
That's it, exactly.
But I love this idea to help the children and also to help the new parents to have these milestones. So it's educational for both the child and the parent. Thank you so much, Shanna, for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
All the best
again
with this partnership.
Absolutely. We're really looking forward to it. And, if you want more of our resources, just go to the librarydistrict.org and you can find out all the things that we have for you. So please stop by.
I love it. Thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.
Happy to have you. Let's go ahead and check in with our weather authority.
And we got the right weather to cozy up at home with a book under a blanket. Yeah.